To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
We are not shutting all options off. We will allow a certain amount of a window for people to use, so that experiments in the blockchain, the Bitcoin, or whatever you may want to call it, the cryptocurrency experiments and fintech which depend on such experiments will have that window available for them. We are not going to shut it off all.
अभी नया बिल ऑलमोस्ट तैयार है, वो जाएगा कैबिनेट के पास और कैबिनेट के क्लियरेंस के बाद में हाउस में आएगा, ये जरूर मैं कह सकती हूँ। फिनटेक इंडस्ट्रीज में भारत में अच्छा एडवांटेज है, हमारा युवाओं का बहुत इंटरेस्ट है। ये टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर बहुत सारे लोग का उनके अपने रवैया भी है। ये सब संज्ञान में लेते हुए ही हमारे बिल तैयार हो रही है।
Two statements from the finance minister, 9 months apart. Statements which sent hopes soaring that the saga of cryptocurrency regulation, which began in 2019, will finally conclude this year. Even the signals out of the Prime Minister's office were encouraging.
Take cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, for example. It is important that all democratic nations work together on this and ensure it does not end up in wrong hands, which can spoil our youth.
This would have been great news for the 15 to 20 million Indians who are said to have invested anywhere between $6 and $10 billion in cryptocurrencies. It's noteworthy that most of these investors are youngsters, millennials and Gen Z, driven by greed and desperation in times of COVID when jobs and sources of income were scarce. A news break from Business Today TV in the last week of October was the push crypto players and investors were looking for.
Sources tell us that government is looking to regulate cryptocurrency under asset class, and currently a lot of meetings have been happening with the officials in Finance Ministry, Reserve Bank of India, and also from the industry. The government is looking to regulate it and is thinking that a regulation should be such that seeks to avoid any kind of potential pitfalls.
Coin switch पे लग जाना छोटे, अक्की public cryptocurrency में switch हो रही है.
Suddenly, celebrities were appearing in ads pushing cryptocurrencies and NFTs, promising a brave new world of investments to Indians. There was finally hope that a law would be in place to regulate the crypto space and protect the interests of investors. It was only in the middle of November that action accelerated. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a high-level meet on crypto, followed 2 days later by a meeting of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance. Both showed that the government had not closed its doors to crypto, and a law was very much under consideration. However, there were very big security concerns about their use for terror financing and money laundering. There was a consensus that investor protection laws had to be in place. Market players and domain experts were part of discussions with the government. Then, on the night of 23rd November, came the big twist. News that the crypto bill was on the Parliament agenda and that it planned to ban cryptocurrencies. The reaction was instant. Cryptos plunged. Hundreds of crores were wiped out overnight. The panic was stemmed only the next day when government officials clarified that only a regulation was under consideration.
I won't be surprised to see this getting regulated eventually. But that path to regulation is never going to be a smooth and easy one. And there will always be debates and deliberations. And I think what we are witnessing right now is that process of regulating crypto, where there will always be two sides. And that's a good thing for bringing the right regulations in the country.
Resistance to crypto, however, continued. The Indian Central Bank made it clear that it was dead set against cryptos in any form. It instead pushed for its own central bank digital currency, or CBDC.
The technology can grow and will grow without cryptocurrencies or whatever name you use to describe cryptocurrencies. When the Reserve Bank, after due internal deliberation, says that there are serious concerns on macroeconomic and financial stability, there are deeper issues which need much deeper discussion.
The government finally ended up backpedaling on the crucial bill. End of December, it was considering reworking the proposed regulation and preparing it to be tabled in the parliament in the budget session next February. Sources told Business Today TV that the delay is on account of discussions at the highest levels of government on key issues like private cryptocurrencies and global practices. Investors and players alike were hoping for closure this year. But as a new year beckons, they are left wondering when the sun will rise on the law to regulate cryptocurrencies.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.